Welcome to my channel. A little update today, what's going on. Check our babies out. Yeah, they're almost 2 weeks old, those, so these are getting close to 3 weeks now. We actually sold 4 of those. And this is my black axolot eggs. They will start in a few more days, about the 23rd, somewhere thereabouts. And this, we started on this. We got, I think there's 15 in there this morning. And look who's out.
Hi guys. Welcome back again to our channel.
Yeah, what are we going to do?
I'm gonna kill some chickens.
Oh my God, we're going to be murderers. Last time it didn't work out too good. They didn't have the heart to kill.
Another hot day in the Philippines.
Yeah, it's hot. There we go.
So we sell some chicks yesterday.
Yeah, only 4.
Yeah, but it's fine because at least we sell some.
Yeah, that helps a little bit with the food.
Yes.
Well, guys, I'm going to show you something here while we're here. This is a native chicken.
Yeah, that one.
Look how skinny it is. And this is our group here. We're getting ready to put out into the pullet pen. And we got some chickens in here that are got colds.
Yeah, but they are almost getting better.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see them or not. Yeah, there you go. They're almost ready to take back to the coop. This is a
Virgil's rooster.
That's Virgil's rooster. Now look at that size of that rooster, and then when we see the others, you'll see the difference. And this is my big boy here. This is my golden buff.
Huh? Saman?
That's my golden buff.
That's the golden buff.
Yeah, we need to mate him up as soon as he's ready.
So we're gonna walk to the coop.
Yeah, we're going to the coop, go to the coop.
Need to have some umbrella. It's a little bit hot this morning. Yesterday when we went to San Carlos, it's really hot.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because my mama have some follow-up checkup. And it's really hot there in San Carlos. Maybe because not...
Oh, look who come to the gate.
Who's that? Is that
I believe that's
John?
Little John.
Little John? Hi
God,
guys.
he's getting big, isn't he?
Wait.
And there's Rocky.
Hi guys. They miss us, Daddy.
Yeah.
Hi.
There's a bad boy over in the distance.
I can close the gate for you. Hi
That white rooster that we got in the quarantine, he needs to be paired up with that pen there, so we can have some more buffs.
Is that, I think it's Selkie, right?
Huh?
The one in the other side, it's Selkie.
No, the white one is, he's a buff like this one. That's what I'm talking about, guys. I'm sorry.
So we're gonna get the roaster and put in the scale how much it kilo.
Yeah. I want you to look at that black rooster right there.
Well,
He's pretty. Let me get me a chair here.
We still have some chicken here in the pullet pen.
Oh, they need to be turned loose. They're big enough to turn loose.
Yeah.
And then we transfer the others.
Saday?
Yeah. Hey, guy.
Asa man nag-uot? Pero wala naman kasi nagkuhan mayo.
This rooster here,
Yeah.
he probably only be about 3 kilo.
How about
two and
this
a half, 3
one?
kilo.
How about that one, the big one?
That right there, he's probably 4 to 5. We'll find out.
Kani go, this one, you want to kilo that one?
Yeah, let's kilo him.
Kana gurong dako day. Where, baby?
Huh?
Mm. The oldest one or the young one?
Yeah.
The old one?
Yeah. We get rid of the older ones. Look how big
Asa man
he's
ang kuha
got.
na day. Kanik, malihog dako ato. Lisod kita dakpon, we gonna catch the chicken, gonna do some video.
Okay.
We're gonna get the roaster, guys. Uh-oh, look at that. Hi there. We're
Oh,
gonna give them some food so that we can catch one of the roaster. Gabuhi.
right there, one in front of her.
Kana, ana.
Right there. Right there in front of her.
Kana, o, kana.
Yeah, see how much he weighs. Yeah, the one straight down.
Ubos
Yeah,
ni mo,
yeah,
katong
right
makilig
there.
ni mo, o, kana.
There you go. See how much he weighs.
I'm gonna check how much he weighs.
About 4 kilo.
Ha? Gaan?
Huh?
She said that it's light.
Light.
Yeah, not heavy.
Not heavy. Look at that.
It's only 2 kilo. Over 2 kilo.
Yeah.
Gaan di siya. Ngita sa bugat.
2.25 kilo. That makes him 5, almost 6 pounds. That wasn't the one I wanted to grab to begin with.
It's not really heavy. I think that's the young one, right?
Yeah.
Or the old one. Hello, sakit. He climbed in the shoulder. Kana day bugat na day. I'm gonna check this one. How much he weigh?
He's about the same weight, it looks like.
Hmm.
Oh, my.
Oh, 3 kilo.
Yeah.
3 kilo, guys.
Yeah, that's 3 kilo.
3 kilo.
Yeah.
Almost 3 kilo.
Yeah.
This one, the big one.
Yeah.
That one.
Yeah, I'll give him one of the big ones.
That one. Asan to si Rocky? Where's Rocky? The bad one ba? The aggressive one? Mao na?
That might be him.
That
over
one,
there.
yeah. That one is Rocky, that one.
Yeah.
We need to get the aggressive one. Another beautiful day in the jungle.
That's one I wanted to grab first time. He's right in front of her.
Kari usa, kani? Rocky na?
That bad boy over there staying away from it. He knows what's up.
Di na siya gulang.
Yeah.
Kukuha-kuhaan, gabang. You want to sell it, right? Or you want us to put it in the bag, in the plastic bag, clean it, put it in the plastic bag and save
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
Or what?
We'll break it down into parts. Legs, thighs, wings,
But we
breast.
need to try it. Maybe someone will gonna buy it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to sell it online.
Okay.
That one. It's the same.
Yeah.
Same the last time.
Yeah.
Murag naaman na siya pagkaon ay kanang kuan day nga pang pa bugat gani. Na ano? I think we need to buy some medication that makes their meat fat, more fatter. I think they have a vitamins. Then,
Mm-hmm.
we give them some vitamins, but that's not the one. Make them like their meat, but more fatter.
That's your buddy, ain't it?
Para sa baboy ba? Nakuhaan ka ng baboy?
Yeah, he's the oldest. You can tell by the spurs.
No.
He's not very heavy at all.
2.5 kilo.
Yeah.
Sama po makakuan sa online lang.
Sige, upahan. At sige, pangupa.
Mm-hmm.
Ayan.
See how much that black one weighs. Yeah.
The black one, that one.
See how much he weighs.
It's easy to...
I'm curious because he's one of the chicks. The first batch of chicks.
Oh, only...
Over 2 kilo, 2.25 kilo.
2 1/4.
Yeah.
Very active.
Yeah.
So we have some hen laying here in the basket right now.
Hmm?
Hi there.
Yeah, it'll give us an egg.
Yeah. And another one in the other side.
Yeah, I see the feathers sticking up over there.
Yeah.
There's 2 of them over there. Ain't no one.
Only one here, this
Yeah.
side. Another one here. Hi. So we bought another bag of feeds this morning, chicken feeds.
Yeah. First time I've been able to come out here, guys, and been what, about 3 weeks?
Yeah, no, over 3 weeks I think, or more than that.
Might be a month. Yeah. Seems strange to be out here.
Yeah. Wala man ta kakuan og kangkong day no. Kaya butangan sagol na ang lemongrass og kangkong og molasses kuan na sa manok nindot. Nag-order naman mig molasses online ba? Nasada din. Kangkong na lang ang tangad po daw, dili na siya pwede chapon man na siya gagmay pino gani. Pero ibutang sa siya pa i-dry ba kana mo kuan na dili gani kana ganing kuan dili linghod.
Guys, don't ask me what she said.
I was talking about that foods that we're gonna give to the chicken
Yeah.
that we're planning to give. We give them some like a spinach, right? And some lemongrass leaf
Yep.
and molasses. We're gonna mix it and give it to the chicken.
Yeah.
And we're still waiting for the molasses because in San Carlos I tried to find one. But the problem is they have that big container.
Yeah.
I'm afraid if we buy that one and it won't last long, right?
Right. Yeah, it'll get
Which is
it'll
only
harden.
huh?
It'll harden.
Yeah, because we not put a lot on that, only small at a time.
Now they'll get fatter with that.
Yeah, so that's why we're planting some morning glory
Mm-hmm.
spinach.
Hey, big guy. This here's got black axolotl in him.
This one,
Yeah. Look at his legs.
it's mixed with Rhode Island red and
Yeah,
black
yeah.
astrolorp.
You can tell by the legs.
Mm-hmm.
Now the bright yellow leg is the Rhode Island red.
Yeah. So we have
Look here.
where?
We got 2 wanting to fight.
Look at that guys here. Oh, they're going to fight.
Mm-hmm. He ain't backing down, is he?
Ano na silang duha? Kana ba? Ginuktok.
Yeah.
Mag-away na sila.
That's
They're
a
looking to
Polish.
They're looking to each other.
No, that's a Polish. The spotted one is.
Ingna lang sila day, basta na mo palit diri day ba? Kiluhon man ang nga buhi pa no?
Well, look at that white silky over there.
Well,
She's pretty.
yeah, that white silky there.
We're supposed to have a black silky here too.
Very pretty. Look at that.
Black hen. I don't know. I haven't seen her.
It's in the other pen.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna show them the black astrolorp hair that we put in the pen.
Okay.
So we have some here that we put the female and the male. Then we collect the eggs. We have 6 over here. We have 3 hens and no, we have 7 on here. 4 hens and 3 male. So
How many
we
hens we
already
got?
incubate their eggs. We need to have more black astrolorp.
How many hens?
I think 4.
4.
Yeah,
I
and
thought there was 6.
6 man na day.
murag 7 man. I think it's 7.
Yeah, total of 7. Got 1 rooster.
Oh, 7
and 6
sila
hens.
day. 4, 5, 6, 7.
Ay, usa ni loob.
Gani. Have wonder in the nest. Pito. Murag kuan, murag upat ka babae. Tulo ka laki.
Usa na ni diri day.
Hey, ladies.
Sara ka laki diri?
What you doing there? Hmm?
Oh. Bebe. So, it's 6 hens and 1 rooster.
Yeah. That's what I
I'm
thought.
wrong. Because the other one, the 2 of them, it looks like a rooster. So
Yeah.
I'm wrong.
There's 6 hens and 1 rooster.
Yeah, 6 hens and 1 rooster.
I'm trying to increase the flock of the black ones. They seem to be healthier.
Mm-hmm. So we still have here in the pullet pen, they are getting bigger and
And they need to be turned loose.
we're gonna turn them loose soon. We have 4 on here, 5 on here.
Yeah. Yeah, open the door and see if you get them to come out.
They're ready to turn loose.
Yeah.
Pwede na sila buhian, Day? Pwede na sila
Yeah,
buhian?
they're big enough to turn loose.
Come here. Pabuhian na niya daw. Kadagko-dagko naman. So we're gonna turn them loose.
That way you can transfer the others in there.
Yeah, when they're getting bigger in the, because we have some there at the
The ones in that box over there, they need to be transferred.
at the back of our house. We have some, but maybe next week
Because
we're gonna transfer
we
them.
need the space, because in just in a few days, I will have to transfer some of those into there.
Yeah. Look at the skies.
We got new hatch coming.
Look at the skies.
Yeah, nice.
Nice. Very clear.
Yeah. It's funny, we can't see the smoke from the volcano from here.
Because it's been hiding to that mountains there. You can see there's a mountains hiding. I mean, there's a mountains over there that it's hides the volcano.
Yeah. Yeah. We empty this and then we'll transfer those over to here. That way we'll have space to transfer some of those, the ones in the brooder box, into the other place. Because they're all vaccinated.
I'm gonna put some stones so that he can get out here. Because the door ba, it's not
It won't stay open.
sarado man yun. Ha? Wala, nagibutangan yung bato.
Ano ko na. Kain mo kasi sada kay. Kain mo na sa room suko niya. Ang bako ilagay kung ano, bukan ako may dari.
Oh, there's a lot of rats on here. Even though we screen it there at the top,
Yeah.
you see that hole there? So
Mm.
we have a rat problem here. So see that hole there? That's where the digging to go inside.
Ang di pa bukan ko ang pero no. Ilaharag yung ko lain sila masuko ko
Nasuko sila? Nasuko man.
Lain man ako kanang abi mga isa sa nila sige pagbagol.
Wala man ko mo to nasuko.
Kasi nana ba katong kana dahil sa mga muyo ra man pud ko.
Hmm.
Dili wala ra man sila nang hilabot.
Pero dili mo siya butangan og pagkaon dire.
Dili
But I told Dibation not put some leftover foods in the nighttime because that's what they after
Yeah.
foods because they're hungry. But she said that you need to be like nice to them because if you're angry to them, they will get more mad. Yeah,
Well, the cats will take care of them.
but we don't.
ang iring gud kay kanang yung piso ko.
But we don't have a cats on here, and you can't.
They come around and walk around the gate. They catch them. I already seen them do that. I've seen John Boy and I've seen
Ila dito ko ani nagbutan og kanang bako.
Sophie.
Laro di akong
Look at the chickens in the other side. Look at that. They're been relaxing because over here it's a little bit cold. Not really hot. You want to stay in the wet area
Yeah, it's
because that's
cooler.
where the water flows. The water flows on the side here
It's cooler.
from the faucet there. So it's much cooler. So this is our old hen, that one. So we're gonna start selling some roaster, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay na.
Mm-hmm. We can sell the Rhode Island Red roosters because we got young ones
Yeah.
coming up. And we're okay on Rhode Island Red.
So I'm gonna take some picture. Take pictures that I put it in online.
Mm-hmm.
Picturean garo na akong manok, guys. Pero ako i-post sa online ba? Pagpila ganing kilo sa manok sa balye?
Yeah.
Pwede dire 200. 200.
Mm.
We sell it 200 per kilo. 200 because in the market it's 210 per kilo.
For a heritage breed?
No, it's a native one. Native.
Well, this is heritage breed.
So we're gonna do 250.
Yeah.
Kuan na 250 per kilo de kay heritage man imo di man ni siya kuan. No, the one in the market is not native. It's the one murag mao man na siya mangitlog, no? Kanang 45 days. I think it's 45 days.
Yeah.
Ako mang kuan mga
I think it's 45 days. Kanang sa merkado ba unsa nang ibaligya na 45 days? 45 days dali.
Yeah.
Pwede ra gro tuwag 250 per kilo oy kay ni heritage man niya tuwa di man ni kuan 45 bratuhon naman tong kuan.
Dili ko salay na.
Kay lain po kay parihan nimo niya. Dito ilaha kuan man to bratuhon nga manok. At ato imported man ni. Ha?
We want the hens that's got the feathers off their back.
Yeah.
We'll go ahead and clean those up and sell the meat.
Well, the one there's no hair at the back.
Yeah.
That's our old hen.
Yeah.
Ako mang kuning lagi ko sila. Wala man gawas.
You think 250 is too cheap or it's fine? Because if we do it more,
250 is a fair price for the heritage.
because we bought it
'Cause that's
1,000 per chicken per hen.
Yeah.
It's fine.
It's only $1 and something, a little over $1 a pound.
It's fine.
Yeah.
You gonna grill the that hen? You gonna roast it? Gonna roast
Yeah.
it?
Yeah, we go ahead and clean the hens that don't have no hair on their back or feathers,
Yan itong ipaihaw ang manok.
and we
katong
thin these
kuan.
roosters down. That way, the hens will be more relaxed to lay
Katong
eggs.
bayi ba? Katong walay buhok sa kuan. Babaw.
Yeah.
Katong kuan gani kinaunhan.
That way, we can
Oh, yeah.
focus on the.
Gani luoy. Hello. Sibo to siya panguan.
Unsa pagkuon ba sa kuon ba maluoy ni ko dai.
That's the one, Daddy, that always give us an egg. That hen. It's
Okay.
very pitiful. I really don't want them to. It's hard for me to watch them ba.
Di ba man siya pangutlo?
But she always give us an egg.
Well, okay. I thought she'd done quit laying
No,
because she looked pretty rough.
she's always laying here in the nest. No, maybe we not kill the hen yet, oy.
Okay.
Because they are the one who produce eggs.
Yeah. Now we're gonna
Only the rooster.
we'll get all the old Rhode Island red roosters,
Kanilang mga kuanday ang atong pabaligya. Kaning
not the
mga
black ones.
Rhode Island red nga laki ba katong kinaunhan ganamong palit. Katong mga kuan. So na,
Kang gulang-gulang.
gulang ba gulang.
Tulong mali sila yung gulang.
Ato picturean.
Hmm.
We have 3 old rooster.
Yeah, we need to break them down so we can sell them. Okay, guys, that's enough for right now. I don't want to bore you too much. I really appreciate everybody took their time out and stayed to now.
So na picturean be.
And I don't know what Saw was saying. She said something.
That's one of them that we gonna sell over
Okay.
there. I think that's Rocky or Little John.
I can't tell from here.
So thank you so much, guys,
Yeah.
for all the love and support and for all the generosity. We really do appreciate all of you for watching our videos and for subscribing our YouTube channel. And if you are new to the channel of my husband, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel also.
Yeah.
Every couple has a story, and maybe you can see some amazing videos there that you really want to watch. And
Good advice, because her videos, to be
Yeah.
honest with you, is better than mine.
but
But.
so thank you so much, guys. See you on our
Okay.
next video.
Thank you, guys.
God bless us all.